This is my first video on Maya's channel, aka our channel, because now we're gonna share it. Yay! So yeah, and I'm actually on my bed, which I put my cameras on. So yeah, this is first video. Yeah. So there will be more awesome videos in the future. Right now we only have like 5 subscribers, so whatever. So yeah. This is my room. Has nature stuff, and I like to take pictures. And my camera is right here. It's called Instax. I don't know. Instax? Yeah. And it actually has to have film, and I put a note behind it trying to clean it off. Has a flash. It's one of those old fashion cameras, except little girls can use it. Like me! So, right now, this is the first video of me, and I'm actually in 5th grade, so is Maya, but she failed. Maya, if you're watching this, sorry. So anyway, yeah. So this is pretty much it. So peace out. I like to do peace signs. Peace out. Bye.